Hi, thank you for your interest in Vitality Works. I am Mitch Coven, CEO and founder of Vitality Works, which I started 40 years ago here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I am still the sole owner of Vitality Works after 40 years. So we are a local New Mexico family-based company. We manufacture herbal supplements in the natural healthcare field for hundreds of brands across the United States, and we also ship abroad internationally. And our goal is to help support people in their usage of natural products in their pursuit of health and wellness. We are busy, we are fast-paced, we are in demand. We are looking for people to join our team who want to have some fun, learn more skill sets in the FDA GMP process, and develop skills that will last a lifetime, have a career ladder to grow with us. We need you. We will help train you from our team, as I mentioned, so if you have interest, please apply. We're looking forward to having you join our team, and thank you for your interest once again.
We invite you to come grow with us.